Civilized and the serpent seed does not belong together. Majority of the superpower heathen nations of today have weapons of mass destructions, and their leaders of those nations are the other species of mankind. According to mainstream media, top-of-the-line journalism, there are civilized people. Why do civilized people need large inventory of nuclear weapons? Civilized people spread peace and love, not war and destruction. Israelites and indigenous black people, the workers of iniquity do not want you to know the other species of mankind's purpose. The scriptures reveal to us that the watchers taught their sons how to make advanced technologies and weapons. Israelites, look how the scriptures are confirming the mysteries of life. No wonder the synagogue of Satan discredit and remove many books from the Bible. How many of you still in denial that the other species of mankind are the children of the wicked one? To the indigenous black people who followed them, don't wait until the day of judgment to believe. By then it will be too late.